The top 10 human impacts. Number 10. Waste. All of the resources that humans throw out and don't use can be harmful to the environment. A lot of that waste ends up in landfills. This affects the environment because it contributes to climate change and it can leave harmful substances in the soil. To make this change, humans are recycling more and using their resources more wisely instead of wasting them. Number 9. Agricultural practices and soil degradation. Agricultural practices negatively affects our soil and crops. When using pesticides, some leave harmful chemicals on your crops and soil that can later affect it negatively. Soil degradation and agricultural practices happen on farms. Fertilizer use, monoculture, and overgrazing are a common cause of soil degradation. To stop this, people are creating healthy and safe alternatives to keep crops consumable and safe. Number 8. Overfishing. Overfishing is caused by the demand of seafood. In the ocean, a lot of species are decreasing because of overfishing. When people demand an increase of seafood, the marine life suffers and decreases. To fix this problem, fishermen are catching less fish and people are eating less seafood. Number 7. Consumerism. Consumerism is when people buy a lot of clothes, food, shoes, and supplies, most of which they don't need. It can be online shopping, going to malls, and even trying a new, trendy restaurant. When people buy these things, they are falling into the category of overconsumption, like buying too many things. To fix this, we are buying less of what we want and more of what we need. Number 6. Urbanization. Urbanization is when people destroy habitats to build cities. People destroy places like forests. This affects our environment because it drives animals out of their homes and into the city. To stop this, the government has made some places and animals protected, making it illegal to touch them or touch their habitat. Number 5. Climate change. Climate change is driven mostly by human activities. Burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and other things are the cause of climate change. Climate change can occur anywhere. You have probably heard about it in the Arctic. To stop this, we can limit burning fossil fuels and destroying forests. Number 4. Water pollution. Water pollution is caused when people throw trash into oceans, rivers, and other bodies of water. When we do this, we are polluting our water, endangering animals that live there. This occurs in bodies of water like oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, and even ponds. To stop this, we could start cleaning up our oceans and thinking before we decide to litter. Number 3. Deforestation. Deforestation occurs when people destroy places like forests and use the wood from trees. This happens in forests. It's bad for the environment because it is harming many species of animals and driving them out of their homes. We can prevent this by limiting the use of wood and instead only using a little bit of wood. Number 2. Air pollution. Air pollution is when the smoke from cars, factories, or other machinery release toxic chemicals in the air. This affects our environment because it can affect human health and animal health. It can cause respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and other harmful effects. We can prevent this by using electric cars, using solar panels, and wind turbines for a cleaner environment. Number 1. Fossil fuel consumption. Fossil fuels are needed for energy. Coal, oil, and natural gas are also examples of this. This is bad for our environment because it creates a thickening blanket around Earth, trapping heat and leading to global warming. We can prevent this by using solar panels, wind turbines, and choosing healthier option of energy for the safety of our planet.